There are two ways to search DSL online for Scots words and meanings. The simplest way is with a quick search. You can do a quick search from the home page and on a desktop from the header on any page. First, enter your search term. You'll see a list of suggested matches as you type. Next, choose whether to search both dictionaries or to limit the search to before or after 1700. Finally, press the search button. A search may give you more than one result. When you click to view an entry, the results list stays accessible. This lets you easily check the other options if your first choice wasn't right. If your search has only one result, then you'll be taken directly to the entry. Advanced search lets you perform searches that are more complex or specific. You can search the full text of entries or just their illustrative quotations. Use wildcard characters if you're not sure of the spelling. Our help tools are there to help you find what you're looking for. When you do a full text search, the results include every entry that includes your search term anywhere at all, including in definitions and quotations. You can choose to refine your search or to carry out a new advanced search from the search results page. Select Hide Text Snippets if you'd like to see a straightforward list of entries that match your search. To save your results, download them as a CSV file. They'll be saved on your device as a spreadsheet. As with Quick Search, the results list remains accessible when you choose to view a particular entry.